Is Meghan Markle actually going to be at the Who?
It's a kind of magic.
Hi everyone. For this reading, we are going to look into this supposed alleged, I don't know, there's a story going around that Meghan Markle is going to go to Switzerland to the, is it Davos or with the WHO, the World Health Organization, and supposed to be talking about children. I don't know if it's health or what. I'm just going to ask the cards, what is going on? Is this because Princess Catherine went to Italy, or was this trip planned for ages that they always say? It's nothing to do with Catherine going to, you know what she's like. So this video is for entertainment only, and allegedly. I don't claim that any of it is true until it comes true. So why is Meghan Markle doing this? So let's just ask first, why is Meghan Markle doing this, going to, is it Davos, or to speak at the WHO, the World Health Organization? So why is she doing this? The underlying is that is the Nine of Wands in reverse. So the Nine of Wands is somebody who's been through the mill, and she will tell you that she was the most trolled person in the world, and she's been through the mill, and she's the victim, and in reverse she crosses the line. And she's just I think also she can bully people into making them feel like, well, she has, making them feel like they have, they want to, go to counseling and all that. It's overstepping the mark. So, okay, why is she doing this? Why is she going to Switzerland to the, that is the Eight of Wands. This is fast-moving news. It's fast-moving as well. That, well, I mean, it doesn't look like it, does it, with the, I don't know why. I mean, because these are usually flying through the air, but they look like they've just landed. And they look like it's a bit of a fence that the girl can't get through. But the Eight of Wands is usually communication. It's fast-moving. It's the internet. It's the news, media. And she had to hurry up and get that in because of Princess Catherine going to Italy. So she is flying through the air and going to be there. I think they said, I read that she will be there on the 17th. So let's see. Continue on, why is she going? The Two of Swords in reverse. Now, this is a decision that's been made, but I think it's a bad decision. And upright, she's like at a crossroads. Well, this, I think she's making a bad decision, but we'll see. Why is she doing this? The Seven of Swords. This is deceit, and it's a theft. And actually, they said I mean, they're still using their royal titles. That is thoughts and words, that's swords. And it's a thief, actually. That's what that means, one of the meanings. And this is probably, to me, it's going to be word salad goodness. Because, I mean, look at all the swords, words, thoughts and words. With that, and how she was the most trolled person in the world with the the 9 of Wands in reverse. Okay, so this is because of Catherine. Is it because of Catherine? The Knight of Swords upright with the 9 of Wands in reverse for underlying. This is going into battle to me. Just like, usually the Knight of Swords is on their horse going into the fight, with the swords drawn up, and full speed ahead. 2, it's very fast, usually. I mean, I don't know why he's just standing there. Maybe the fast movement is is all of the birds flying, if you can see that in the background. And it could be this is her doing her royal duties. That's what I got. That's what I just got. So, and the 9 of Swords in reverse, along with the 9 of Wands in reverse. This is a nightmare. She's going to be a nightmare. She is a nightmare to the royal family, and this is crossing the line. It's supposed to be talking about, is it children's health? Probably about the internet, again, with the 8 of Wands and stuff. That's probably what that is. It was a hurry up thing. I don't think it was thought of before. Let's see, was this thought of in like months ago or not? The Chariot in reverse. No. That's in reverse. And upright is usually you have the reins. You are the driver of your own destiny and stuff. And in reverse, this is a car wreck. It's going to be a disaster. And people, goodness, what's she going to look like in front of the whole world? The 3 of Wands. Well, that is like going overseas. And it's waiting for your ship to come in. I wonder if she's getting paid big bucks for this. Yeah, what is she going to look like in front of the Who and all that? The Page of Swords in reverse. It's going to be bad news, and it's it's not going to be good for her. And she might even look bad towards about children and stuff. The Page is children as well, and it's lies, and it's like say deceit with that 7 of Swords. There are a lot of swords here. Look at this. You got the 2 of Swords in reverse, the 7 of Swords upright, this Knight of Swords upright, and this 9 in reverse, and the Page of Swords in reverse. And usually the Chariot, I think he's got a sword usually, but that's in reverse too. So this doesn't look good. How is the WHO going to view her? Then the world. I wonder if they're done with her, with that completion. The world is completion, but I wonder if that's the end. You know, maybe she'll mess up so bad that it could be the end. Let's hope, eh? Fingers crossed. I'm sick and tired of hearing about her, or hearing. I'm sick and tired of it, like you guys are as well. I don't mind doing readings and stuff, but it's just the everyday stuff she does, just to be relevant, and she's not relevant. My opinion. So there you go. That looks like to me what is going to happen with this WHO. I want to ask another question about. So I'm going to use as me today, and vertical is yes, and horizontal is no for you guys. And let's just see. So, as me, the Duchess of Edinburgh is supposed to be there, I guess, on the 18th, where at Davos, I guess, for the convention or whatever it is, for the WHO, the World Health Organization. And Meghan Markle is supposed to be there on the 17th. So, I just want to know, will Meghan Markle show up? Is she actually showing up? I was just wondering, guys, that is going to know. My gosh. So was that a lie with that Page of Swords in reverse? The Page of Swords is a lie. The Seven of Swords upright was a lie. Deceit. Wow, look at that. It's going to yes for both of them. So, is Meghan Markle going at all to Switzerland on her own? That's saying no, guys. Okay. I'm just going to go in. Is Meghan Markle actually going to be there? I did see that it was a lie. Is Meghan Markle actually going to be at the WHO? The Two of Wands in reverse. No, no plans. No plans. The Tower. I think this thing with Princess Catherine has really gotten to her. And was this a fake story? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. That is Catherine. I really do think it was because of Catherine. Look, Queen of Pentacles, that's her. That's Catherine. And the Two of Wands said be no plans or ruined plans. With that Tower, especially ruined plans. And is she not going because Sophie's going to be there? Is that why? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. I think she just it's either she don't have the money or it's fruitless, that it's not going to be fruitful, and this is dying on the vine. And that's probably her. The Five of Wands in reverse. That is that's usually a fight, arguments, and something that you can't win. Okay. And the Four of Pentacles in reverse. She cannot control things, and she's out of control. That's what I think. And also, that's what that Chariot, she is out of control. Oh, guys, I don't think she's going. I really don't. But I could be wrong. This is my interpretation, and she might be, but she put so many lies out in the papers and all that headlines. So if she doesn't go, well, you heard it here. So thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you all, and I appreciate you being patient with me. I can't help it. I'm so sorry that I work sometimes 11 and 12-hour days, and when I get home, there's no way. I am so tired, and I just want to tell you. So I'm on here when I can. So thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you. Please hit that like, subscribe, and the hype. And I will see you on the next one.